In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bookkeep in QuickBooks for beginners. By the end, you'll have your bank connected, your accounts organized, your items set up, your customers and vendors added, an invoice created, and you'll know how to reconcile and run key reports. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in. You'll land on the dashboard where you can access everything you need. Next, connect your bank so transactions flow in automatically. Go to the Transactions or Banking area, then choose Link Account. Select your bank, follow the prompts to connect securely, and choose the date range you want to import. Once the feed is live, you'll see downloaded transactions ready to review. You don't need to finish categorizing right now, but remember, the cleaner your categories, the better your reports. Before categorizing, set up your chart of accounts so your income and expenses land in the right buckets. Open Chart of Accounts from the Settings or Accounting menu, then click New to add accounts you'll use often like sales income, software subscriptions, advertising, supplies, and bank or credit card accounts. Choose the correct account type and detail type, give each a clear name, and save. This structure drives every report you'll run. Now set up products and services which tell QuickBooks what you sell and where revenue should go. From the Settings or Sales menu, open Products and Services, click New, and choose the right type. Service, non-inventory, or inventory if you track stock. Enter a name, price if applicable, and map the item to the proper income account. If you incur costs for the item, map the expense side as well. Set the tax status based on your local rules. Add your contacts so transactions tie to the right people. From the left menu, open Customers and Vendors. Click New to add basic details like names, terms, and default email preferences. Accurate profiles help with statements, reminders, and reports. To record income, use the Create icon and choose Invoice. Select your customer, add the product or service, set quantity, rate, and terms, then save and send. This records the sale and creates an open balance to match when payment arrives or when the bank feed brings in the deposit. Each month, reconcile your bank and credit cards. From the Settings menu, open Reconcile. Pick the account, enter the statement's ending balance and date, and match transactions until the difference is 0. This step confirms your books match the bank. Finally, open reports to review or customize. Run the profit and loss, balance sheet, and sales or aging reports. Adjust the date range, filter by customer or product, and save your favorite layouts for next time. Consistent review keeps your books accurate and decision ready.